Hi, today we're going to have a look at the essentials of a wonderful rendering together. Firstly, in the HD visual step, the height of the shot is by far the most important element. Let's place the camera at eye level of your project. By default this is 5 foot 8 inches off the ground, the average height of a person. Depending on the size of the project or the distance we want to take, we can raise or lower this height in the settings on the right. To give depth to the project, be sure to include as many angles of the project as possible. Your perspective must be straight enough to avoid the impression of non-straight walls. To do this, you can align a wall with the frame. Do not hesitate to move in close, or even very close to the project. Be sure to include some foreground and background elements. Here in the foreground you can see this bush and the house as the main focus. In the background you can see some fictive buildings. Your foreground elements will make your images come alive. Adding furniture to the inside of the project, even just cosmetically, will be a real plus for your renderings. For a night visual, turning on the interior and exterior lights will make all the difference. You can also add light panel. Finally, in the HD visual step, go to the Environment tab and select the type of rendering desired. Choose the format of the image. Click on Ask for a rendering. There you go. Now, it's your turn. If you have any questions, the coaches are always there to answer you.